Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you about data types in Python. So guys, now let's begin. First of all, I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to call this file data type.py. Now first of all, I'm going to talk about types of data types. Types of data type. There are many types of data types. So first one is string, then second one is numeric. Sorry guys. Third one is sequence. Fourth one is set, and fifth one is boolean. I'm going to comment all of these. First, let's talk about string. The string are used for writing text. So for example, a equal to Satyam Misra, and now if you print a, now if you print type a, then guys here you will get the string. The str means the string, and guys you can write the string in double quotation mark or single quotation mark. So guys, you can write the string in double quote or single quote, like also you can write like this. Satyam Misra. Now guys, I'm going to comment all of these. Now let's talk about numeric. So now let's talk about numeric data type. Numeric data types are init, float, complex. These are numeric data types. Now let's talk about how to use these. And first one is, this one is x equal to 1. This one is init. Second one is x equal to 2.8. This is float. And third one is z equal to 1j. This is complex. So let's talk about what's the difference between these. So first one is 1. So this is a number, and this is a simple number, that's why it is init. Second one is in decimal. So 2.5, here you can see the point, that's why it is float. And here you can see a string and a unit, so that's why it is complex. So now if you print type x, then guys here you can see you will get init, and like this you can if you print y, and if you print z type, then guys here you can see you will get init. First one is init, then float, second one is float, and third one is complex. So these are numeric data types. So guys, now that's it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, in our next video, I'm going to talk about string, then numbers data types, then sequence data types, set data types, and boolean. So guys, we haven't talked about these 3 data types. We only have talked about these 2 data types. And guys, we're going to make another video and we're going to cover all these topics. So guys, now that's it. So thanks for watching. For now, see you next time. Bye bye.